Hi everyone. Today make a video is A strand gaucho knot. First step 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, right, left. First step over 1, under 2, over 1. Leftmost cord. Back, turn. Over 1. Under 2, over 1. Next step, right to left, over 2, under 2. Rightmost cord, turn back, over 2, under 2. This cord, inner cord. Next 3 step, left to right. Under 1, over 2, under 1. Under 1, over 2, under 1. Next, first step, right cord, turn back, over 2, under 2, over 2. Okay. Again step, one step, left to the right, turn back to the right, over 1, under 2, over 1, push, next 2 step, right to the left, over 2, under 2. Three step, left to right, under 1, over 2, under 1. Right almost, left almost cut, under 1, over 2, under 1. First step, right, left, under 2, over 2. Gaucho knot pattern. Next again one step, left to the right, over 1, under 2, over 1. Push. Two step, right to the left, over 2, under 2. Three step, under 1, over 2, under 1. Left to right. Under 1, over 2, under 1. Okay. Last step for right, left, rightmost cord, back turn to the left, under 2, over 2. Continue up. You wanna range bracelet necklace. Okay. Have a nice day.